If you're growing red currants, white currants or gooseberries, now is the time to prune them. They all bear their fruit on old wood, so the new wood from last year can be cut back to let light and air into the plant and providing the perfect conditions for fruit production. Start by removing all inward growing shoots and then reduce the remaining growth by about a third, leaving a nice open goblet shape with the old growth forming a permanent structure. Late flowering clematis, such as Clematis viticella, produce all their flowers on new growth, so it's best to prune away all of last year's. Cut back boldly to a couple of buds, and these will produce the new shoots with this year's flowers, and avoid the problem of bare stems with all the flowers at the top of the plant out of sight. Now is the best time to sow tender and half-hardy annuals such as zinnia, tithonia and cosmos. Fill a seed tray with any peat-free compost and sow the seeds thinly, covering them with a sprinkling of soil and pressing them gently to ensure that they make intimate contact with the compost. Water them and keep them moist, putting them somewhere warm and bright to germinate.